Welcome to Cathy's Eclectic Garden. Today we're taking a look at a new addition to my garden. I will be reviewing the Enchanted Garden Shady Brook fountain right after this. We'll be right back. If you have a small garden and would like to have a water feature, you may want to consider self-contained water fountains. The downside is you'll need to place it near an electrical outlet or run a power cord to the fountain. The upside is you can move them around whenever and wherever you want. Portability has already proved to be a great benefit to me in my garden. A second plus is portable water fountains can be found in all shapes, sizes, and prices. I purchased my new fountain from an area big box store. The fountain is by Enchanted Garden and is called the Shady Brook Fountain. It's roughly 6 feet long by 2 feet wide. This review is not sponsored by anyone, nor am I in any way affiliated with any manufacturer or any seller of this fountain, nor do I receive any compensation from anyone. The box contains the fountain components along with the water pump and necessary electrical wiring and plugs. You are provided with everything you need to set up the fountain except a power cord and a power connection outlet. This fountain is packaged with 3 main components. The fountain base, which is the largest piece, also acts as the water reservoir. The second component is the fountain top support, which sits directly behind the fountain base. And last but not least is the fountain top, which also contains a large hose which leads down to the pump which is stored in the fountain base. As shown in this video clip, the 3 lights are pre-installed. I really like that as I am not an electrician. According to the fountain manual, it takes only 10 minutes to set up and there are no tools required for assembly. However, it took me and my husband a couple of minutes longer to assemble the fountain as advertised because we struggled a little bit to get the fountain top to mesh with both the fountain base and the fountain support. But in the end, that was really not a big deal. Just as in nature, I love the natural look of the stones, variety of shapes and colors. There are 6 levels for the water to flow down. All of this creates a nice, soothing waterfall sound. The new fountain is all assembled. We finally got a nice day where it's not pouring down rain. Sun's even out for a change. And I got the pump installed and the lights hooked up and it's all ready to go. The water pump is powerful and adjustable, allowing the user to control the water flow. The fountain is also lighted with 3 LED lights. As for adjusting the water flow of the pump, I started about midway on the setting dial. The next morning I readjusted the water flow to just above the lowest setting. I found that setting seemed to be the best for the water flow I wanted. After my husband and I were finished setting up the fountain and turned it on, we went into the house. As soon as we looked out the window, we spotted a couple of birds already checking it out. Needless to say, the fountain will become a favorite spot for the birds once they get used to it. I hope you enjoyed this fountain review and are encouraged to check one out for your garden. Thanks for watching. Bye.